If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray!
Hooray!
If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray!
Hooray!
If you're happy and you know, and your face will really show. If you're happy and you know, shout hooray! Hooray!
Daddy? Mommy? Me?
What a wonderful world.
Hello guys! Happy Wednesday! Today, maglilinis tayo ng aming mahiwagang refrigerator. Kasi, siguro, we moved here, what? 1 year. It's been a year and like 4 months or something na nandito kami. I probably cleaned it once, and that's about it. I never cleaned it afterwards. So, yeah. Kind of, I think pag inayos ko siya, it's gonna have more space and organization, some type of organization. So yeah, this is what I have so far. Show you guys before. Yan ang before natin. Yan. And then we'll do an after ko linisin. So, malamang, diba? Yung dalawa nandun sa living room, they're watching. And today, walang school si Aaralyn, so I get to do house chores. But first, I'm gonna put the laundry first. The dryer. Lalagay ko muna yung damit sa dryer. So, while that's going, I can clean this. So, wish me luck, guys. Before ako maglinis, Arabelle wants to say hi. Say hi, Papa. No? Where's your milk? Where did you put it? It's right there. See? Hindi ko alam kung papayagan ako nito maglinis. Say hi, baby. Hi, guys. Say hi.
Hi, guys.
Hi, Aaralyn. iPad.
Roblox.
Roblox addict. Hi, guys.
I'm playing Roblox.
Belle's gonna drink her milk. Today. Ay,
Excuse me,
oh yeah guys, I forgot to show you. Binago ko pala yung ano namin, living room namin. So hold on baby. Medyo makalat. Medyo makalat siya, but yeah, don't look at the mess. Anyways, pinagbaliktad ko yung couch and TV. I put the TV there and then okay, let's go. Ayan, yan na yung new setup ko ngayon. It's a little bit messy nga, like I said. Pero that's what we have going on. I don't know, I like it better. Maglalagay lang ako ng something there to put para hindi siya plain. And then, yeah, maglilinis din ako today. So, don't worry about it. It's all gonna be good in the next 10 hours. Maybe 5 hours, I don't know. We'll see. But I'm gonna start off with the fridge first kasi nga, it's been a while. So I have to do that first bago ang lahat. And then I'm gonna cook lunch at the same time with that. So, yeah. It's gonna be a busy day. But yeah, yun yung setup namin ngayon. As you can see, yeah. At first, I was kind of weird. Like, I thought it was weird not having those two to side. But then it looks okay. Like, when you look at it from this angle, it looks fine. It's just messy. Don't worry about the mess. So, yeah. I think I'm gonna wait till Arabelle naps. And then clean the fridge. Kasi umiiyak siya. So, let's go put you to sleep. Go na. Hi guys, I have not cleaned the fridge. Still processing right now and still on process. Still working on it. Hi! Say hi guys.
Hi.
I have a random laundry bag or laundry basket over there that I'm gonna fold in a little bit. This is what we're having for lunch or ta-da! Kasi requested by this girl again. And then I just added broccoli in it. And then yung pasta or Alfredo sauce. And then I have adobo, leftover adobo from last night. Kagabi kasi nagutom ako, so I made some adobo. So that's what I'm gonna have for lunch. Pork adobo. And yeah. Papakainin ko na sila before. Arabelle still hasn't napped. Papakainin ko muna sila and then maybe she'll sleep. It's only 1 o'clock, so. And then yeah. I'll keep you guys updated sa aking fridge mission. That one. Dear Heavenly Father, thank you for the food. Please bless us and forgive us for our sins. Please continue to bless our babies and keep them healthy. And we say this in the name of Jesus Christ. Amen. Say amen.
Amen.
Kain tayo, guys.
I'm blowing it.
Cover your mouth. More watermelon?
Mom, I'm done.
Busog, guys. Busog. And it's a mess. Look at that. Ooh. She finished almost all of it. And then now she's gonna eat watermelon. Go sit down and eat watermelon. Watermelon! Swallow that, baby. Watermelon! Are you done, Bill? Not yet, not yet, not yet. Is that yum? Yum! Yum! Love you! Are you kissing the watermelon?
And it's snowing?
Oh yeah. Yeah, the weather outside is pretty bad.
I don't see no flowers.
It's like,
I don't see the
yeah.
tree. And I don't see buttons. I don't see birds. Where is the butterflies and where is the bunnies?
They're not here because it's cold. They're hiding. They're in their.
Maybe the birds on the nest.
Yeah. It's really cold outside. It's snowing again.
And the
I thought.
butterflies is hiding on the tree.
I thought it's gonna be gone by now because it's like almost March. So yeah, it's still not. It's still here. Yes, baby.
The last one, but it's hiding on the tree too.
And it's still snowing. It's like I think 3 to 4 inches though, or 5 to 6. I don't even know. I don't even know how that works. Anyways, ayun yeah, like it's snowing right now, and we're stuck at home. We're just gonna be home. I'm gonna clean and fold clothes and you know do my normal job at
And
home.
of course I'm gonna play Roblox.
No, she's gonna do homework.
No.
She's not gonna do Roblox again.
Yeah.
Oh no, is Bili making a mess now? Oh, baby. Eat your watermelon. Arabelle, no baby, no. Bad girl. Let me put you down first before I clean this. Jeez, Arabelle. You're a mess.
What surfaces are really good for is rolling. Yeah, like wheels and tires. Rolling.
That's why I usually eat over there on that side kasi mas madaling linisin yung lapad. But this time, I ate over here kasi I wanted to eat with them.
You can do it. You're big girl now. Mom, Arabelle looks like she's a big girl now. But she almost, because her pants look like a big girl, her shirt looks like a big girl, her hair looks like a big girl, everything looks like a big girl.
Can you do me a favor, baby?
Wait,
Get the marker right there, baby. Here.
there's a marker.
Yeah.
Put
it in your-
That's what I'm trying to say. Here's a little marker.
Later. Finish your... Hey, eat your watermelon first. Hopefully it's nap time for Arabelle. Hopefully.
I'm really
So I can start cleaning the fridge.
Hey, you know me. Yeah. But I'm actually dressed as a construction worker. Like my outfit. I love Halloween because you can dress up as whatever you want. My friend Shay.
Habang naglalaro pa sila, because I don't think Arabelle's gonna nap anytime soon. So I'm gonna start cleaning the fridge right now, right at this moment. I don't think I'm gonna finish it, but I'm gonna do it. I'll start off to the side to see what needs to be thrown away. Yung mga gamot na to, okay pa sila. Yung juice.
Say bye to this thing. Say bye. Bye. Bye.
Tingnan nyo guys, yan ang after. Ang daming space! Pero hindi pa final yan. I don't know if I'm gonna do it that way or change it up. So we're gonna go to this part right here.
Meanwhile.
Ito ko si Aaralyn. Nakatulog. Nagawa kami ng activity niya and stuff like that. Kaya tulog silang dalawa. So I'm gonna try to finish cleaning over there and stuff. Hi! Si Arabelle, pinapait ako ng diaper and then she wanted me to put a diaper for her baby. Is that your baby? Is that your baby? She has diaper on like you? Yeah? She gonna go pee-pee in there? Is she gonna go pee-pee in there? Pee-pee? And poo-poo? Kiss your baby. Kiss your baby. Give your baby love. She woke up from her nap, so I'm gonna give her something to eat. You want to eat? No? Hot. Is it hot? Is it hot? Hot? Gising na Ada. Say hi. Say hi, guys. You don't want to say hi? You're shy? You have a good sleep? Tell me, what was it? It's okay, so you won't be scared. Tell mommy what you dream about. Tell me. You can tell me. I would listen. You should tell mommy so you can feel better. So you don't have to be sad anymore. What is it? Huh? Tell me. I love you. It's just a bad dream. It's okay, you're fine, huh? What's wrong? Tell me what was wrong. You wanna whisper it to mommy? What do you, when you gonna tell me later?
No.
What is it? Are you done, Belle? What do you want? I don't want to tell mom. Is it about mommy? Is it about daddy? Mommy? What happened to mommy in your dream? Tell me. It's okay. I can listen. Tell me, Mama. Tell me, Baba. Because what? Because of me? What happened? What happened to mommy because of me? Tell me. Please tell mommy. Can you tell me when you're ready to tell me? Huh? What was your dream about? Tell mommy. Okay, you'll tell me later then? Okay. Let me know when you're ready to tell me, okay? Tell me. What happened to the dream? You miss me? Mommy loves you. Mommy's gonna be forever here next to you, baby. It's okay, it's just a bad dream. Okay? See, you're awake now. And Mommy's here. And Sissy's here. Huh. It's okay now. Don't smile. Smile gonna smile. Smile gonna. I love you. You know, making some cookies for you? And your sister? It's gonna be so yummy. Are you ready for it? Are you ready for it? Oh, my baby girl. My baby big. What happened to mommy in your dream? Did I get a boo-boo? Did I cry? Did I go to the mall? I went to the mall? How is that a bad dream? That's a good dream. Huh? You miss me? Why are you crying so bad? In your dream, was mommy gone? Oh. Tell me what happened. That's it? I was gone? Where did I go? Did I go shopping in the mall? What did I do? Did I go to the playground? Did I go to Mama's house? No. Bye-bye. Okay, sit down. Let me get your cookies out. Bye-bye. Dinosaur. Look at this, Baba. Look. Look, Aaralyn. Yummy. Dun, 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 dun. Wait. Yummy. It's still hot, Baba, so you have to wait a little bit, okay? Okay, Babushkash. Yeah?
Later that same evening.
Hello, guys. I finished like mostly doing everything today.
Yeah, and now look at
I told Aaron to buy me this
this
kasi
for the snow.
I was having a hard time doing the snow and stuff. Uh-oh, be careful, love. She's so happy. She's like, yay! Yay! What do we get? What is it? So, binili ni Aaron because, okay, shh. Because we really need that. Especially today. It was snowing super hard today. And it's gonna snow again tomorrow. So I need some type of something na mas mandali. So we're gonna open it up. Hopefully, madali lang siya i-build. Because I don't know. Because it's wet. Oh, in the bottom? No, because it's snowing outside, that's why. We left it outside. Oh!
Yeah. Wow.
Okay. Look, Arabelle can do it. Look. She can do it all by herself.
How did she do it?
Look. Vroom, 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 vroom.
Oh, can I try? Can I try? No, can I try?
Okay, don't fight. You guys.
I want to try.
Oh, you did it wrong. Ayan, see? I'm sorry. Naipit na tuloy. So, guys, itatry ko gamitin ito. I like drop everything. Kailangan ko rin kasi mag-flow right now kasi ano na nung snow. And I wanna do it before tomorrow. Kasi may school si Aaralyn tomorrow. Oh my gosh, I don't know how this is gonna work.
20 minutes later.
Oh, you got sipon. Oh, thank you, sister. You're so sweet.
Sipon.
Thank you.
Sipon.
Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go inside.
I need some more.
Thank you, sister.
I got it from the bathroom.
Thank you. So, guys, it's harder than it looks.
And then I forgot.
I think it's harder to use the machine than plowing by itself. Like, using the shovel is easier than that one. Oh my gosh. Hi! We're just in the living room. Everybody took a shower.
I did.
Or she took a bath. And she showered. Say hi, baby.
Mama.
Mama! Can you say I love you? I love you.
When I went to school.
Love you. Parang gagu. Pero, love you. Say hi, guys. Kiss mo sila. Kiss. Kiss. Mwah. Say goodnight na nga. We're gonna say goodnight. This craziness. Good night, guys. We'll see you next time on our next vlog. Bye.
Videos, subscribe to the channel and follow us on Instagram. Bye.
How about you, Bill? You want something to say? Can you sing? 5 little monkey jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped her head. Mother called the doctor and the doctor said... What did the doctor say?
No more
Monkey jumping on the bed. Again, again, again. 4 little monkey jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped her head. Mother called the doctor and the doctor said...
No more monkeys jumping on the bed.
What? Say it, baby. No more monkey jumping on the bed. How about... If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray.
Hooray!
If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray. If you're happy and you know, and your face will really show. If you're happy and you know, shout hooray. Hooray! Yay!
Can tell them something.
Right.
They check my eyes.
Oh, they check your eyes and then?
And then it say, don't play Roblox and you keep watching on my iPad.
Yeah, you need to do less time in the iPad.
You can use iPad for a little bit.
Yes. Sinabi ko sa kanya yun kasi chinek yung eyes niya. Okay naman lahat. I just told her na they want less Roblox, less iPad. O, diba?
Mommy wins!
Haha!
No, I won. No, I won.
Oh, Belle, say goodnight. We'll see you next time.
Use your iPad for